Hello, Sawadika, buenas noches, everyone. Happy 50th founding anniversary, Mensi Seventh-day Adventist Church. Ako di ay si Labon Suniga Sebilo Humawid, and I am sending this message with love from Singburi Province, Thailand, together with my family. I was blessed to have been part of the Mensi SDA Church family since birth. Nga naman since birth. Well, diha jud mi gipanganak sa Basilan, diha jud sa Mensi, likod sa church. Nagtubo jud mi diha. So ako di ay anak ni Joshua and Sarah Sebilo, and I am the eldest among the 3 siblings. So my Papa Joshua and Mama Sarah were elders in the church before. So growing up, I remember nga ang likod diha sa pulpit church, no, kanang pulpito sa church, mao sad na ang wall sa amo ang balay. So pilit kaayo ang amo ang balay sa church. So and then kanang parsonage dapit diha, mao na amo ang kitchen, no? Among kitchen, among liguanan. Then years passed, na-separate na mi gamay sa church, gamay lang jud. And then as I remember, murag ikatulo na karon nga forma sa among house, nilayo gamay. So memories ani nga church perting daghan na mga kaigsunan, dili maihap. But my favorite one is the cleaning time. Ngano man, dili jud na ako malimtan ako mama nga mingon jud na siya nga that God is a God of order. Ang ibig sabihin nga limpyo, kung manglimpyo ta sa ato ang balay, ayo limpyuhon pud nato ang ato ang simbahan. So basta Friday na, busy, no? Busy na sa panghinglo sa balay. So Friday na, busy na kaayo og panghinglo. So apil dayon namo ang simbahan. So remember na ko floor wax, sipan, sumaw dyan, no? Wednesday, Friday, na ready. Kay duol kami man ang pinakaduol sa simbahan. And libot, kung makita man jud ninyo sa una si mama kung unsa ang beautification niya anak nga church, no? Atiman niya ang mga tanom sa palibot sa church. So kay gusto niya nga gwapa jud ang ato ang simbahan. So and in that also nadala sa nako siya mga kaigsuonan diri na atong limpyuhan ang church na to. So mao na siya ang usa nga dili nako malimtan as part of that church. And then when it's time for Sabbath, a happy day for me nga naman. Excited na mo attend sa children's division. So gikan sa bata, no, naadjud. So dira sa children's division, not only children's division, that whole part of the Sabbath where we, with my siblings, learn many things. Dili sad nako malimtan nga ang among church sa kaanan jud pud mga bisita. I think until now, our house is open, no? Open jud na, makita man jud na ninyong mga kaigsuonan. And then nagtubo ko, nakita nako akong mga ginikanan kung unsa sila ka-responsible sa ilahang mga katungdanan sa church. And I'm really proud of it, no? Kay pati diri, no? It is in this church that I can proudly say that together with my siblings was well trained, even though I did not study. We did not attend the STA schools during our elementary and high school years. So diri na ko na learn mga kaigsunan that family and church are truly the training grounds due to prepare the youth for their future responsibilities. Daghan pa kayo kaning singing group sa junior class, no? Daghan tag memory. So nalipay ko nga pag uli namo atong fellowship, nakakanta ta balik, na-refresh sa mga nakatunan sa una. So mao jud ni, no, nahasa maayo ang atong tingog sa kaning singing group. And then not only that, no, hantod nga nagkadako high school, nakaapil pa jud ko aning Islanders Melody. So hopefully mabalik na, and then we have no, the ambassage. So that's why church keeps singing kay ngano man sa langit mao niya atong himuon dito, magsige ra jud tag praise through singing sa Ginoo. So all the memories was very meaningful for me. So daghan pa kaayo no mga special Sabbath program, kaning drama di jud malimtan, mga youth activity, vacation Bible school sa una estudyante, hantod na himo ng teacher sa BBS, mga outreach program diha sa ato ang church, mga fellowship, or even a simple church lunch together. Those moments truly showed what it means to be a family in Christ. Although my stay wasn't very long jud, kay after ko high school nag-study na ko sa MBC, but it was deeply meaningful, and I was privileged to fellowship with wonderful people like you. They were not just companions in ministry, but lifelong friends in faith. Maskin layo na, no, nagkatigulang na, naagihapon ang bonding. So, to the whole Mency SDA Church family, congratulations. Your theme, Shining Brighter, 50 years and beyond of spreading love, hope, and light, is more than just a slogan. It's a calling. So, may you continue to be a beacon in your community, faithfully sharing God's love until He comes. Never forget, your labor in the Lord is not in vain. Once again, happy 50th anniversary, and thank you for being a part of my spiritual journey. May you continue to shine brighter, spread love, hope, and light to everyone around you. Let me leave you this text in Matthew 5:16. Let your light so shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. From my family to yours, happy golden anniversary. Keep shining for Jesus, and may God bless you abundantly.